Today I show you an unboxing of this screen protector for the MacBook Air M5, MacBook Air 13.6 inch. Okay, I'm not sure if it's 0.6. I thought it was, maybe it is, I hope it is. And the brand is BueSwan. I bought this from Amazon and it was not very expensive, but it also comes in this pretty much strange packaging, a little bit ruined on the edges here. I'm not sure. I hope it was like this in the transportation and it wasn't used. From what I remember, I bought it as new. And there is this is a Chinese brand, but they need to have like contact information for EU and UK. So let's see. And it has a code ZH803. Sometimes with the Chinese products you can really have a surprise, like they're so good. Sometimes no. Let's see what's inside. All I want is that it's not used. So it looks like it's sealed, okay, for Air 13.6 inch. So there is a seal. That's the case. I thought there should be like two, or maybe they're just folded on top of each other there. And there's nothing else in the box. So that's it about the box. And yeah, it's sealed on some kind of opening side. Okay, I hope that's not on the actual plastic. Yeah, here. For Air 13.6. And those are the model numbers. Okay, I have my MacBook Air here, and there should be the model number written on it somewhere. So there should be some model number here, A3449. It doesn't say A3449, so that's interesting. But maybe it will fit. A3449. Okay. It looks like it's the same size, so maybe it's just the previous model numbers here that were written for the previous ones. Let's see. Let's open it. Okay, not easy. Okay, usually this thing opens just like that. Oh, I like the feel of it. It's pretty nice. And it doesn't have that bluish tint like the MacBook Air has it. Yeah, so this one also has its own wrap. So this is the base of the thing. It's not very soft, but a little bit, just a little bit, enough so it doesn't break, so it's not like fragile. And these rubber feet are pretty rubbery, so that's good. I think they're more rubbery than the original ones, really. Yeah, so these from the case, they're more rubbery than the original ones, so that's pretty good. Yeah, when I ordered this, from what I remember, it was showing that it's the MacBook Air M5. Okay, so I think this is going to be the front here, because there are the ports there and then the audio jack there. So this is gonna be like that, so I will install it like this. Yeah, so it has this like dark tint to it. not too much, but still good enough. Maybe to remove this. Remove some of the dust. Pretend to at least. So I'll just put the MacBook Air as it is there. So it goes into the slot. I think it just snapped in already. Yeah. It just worked. So it already snapped in. But I put it the wrong way. Yeah, because I was holding it the wrong way. So it's the wrong way. So opening it again to make sure this cutout is in front here, the same as the cutout from here. And now it's time to drop it in. It clicks. Okay. I think it just works, and it's not doing anything suspicious with the hinge here. It's really opening, all the space behind the hinge is open. So it leaves the nice space for the ports, and it kind of protects. There seems to be enough protection for the corner, just a little bit missed here, but maybe it couldn't go. Maybe it couldn't go with the corner all the way around because of the hinge and the way this thing opens, but actually it feels okay. And this is only the lower part, and that's how it looks like. Don't know, a bit this whitish thing here, I think it's the plastic, a little bit of damage to the plastic. I don't know why it's like that. Maybe it's gonna wear off, maybe not. Yeah, if you bend the plastic, it's doing this. I didn't bend it, but I don't care so much about this. Maybe when I installed it wrong, maybe it's because of that. So okay, it's these parts here, the front, at the back there. Okay, I'll try to clean it up a little bit, at least. Maybe I will clean the bottom also. So let's see how easy it is to remove it. So it snaps out pretty easy. I would say maybe too easy. Yeah. So the thing is out now. I want to clean the base of the MacBook Air like that, all the way around the edges. The problem with this kind of cases, I actually didn't really want to get a case like this, but I want it to be more grippy. It snaps in pretty nicely. I wanted the MacBook Air to be more grippy also. I don't like this very smooth metal feel, and I feel like I'm gonna hit it on the corner somewhere, so I prefer to have some kind of protection for it. Okay, this is the top side. Okay, this looks nice and smooth, clean, simple. It's just like some folder plastic kind of thing. Doesn't look very complicated. I'm not sure which part is the front here. And probably this one, because it has this cutout here. There's nothing at the back. Yeah, only at the front, so like this. Yeah, it's the same, it's aligning with the front there. Okay. Okay, so I try to align it. Oh, nice click. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, it's really protecting well. So, and now it feels more protected. Now it feels also more grippy. I like the grip on it. And the feet are pretty good. They are really rubbery. Okay, so there's gonna be dust going under the case. So that's gonna be the usual. And it doesn't feel like too bulky. I'll try to show you a close view of this. So that's how it looks like. It's really covering the edges well, and especially here, the most important thing, the corner. The most important thing is protecting the corners, and it keeps the back here open for the hinges. The headphone jack, let's see how it opens. Hope it doesn't make any weird noises when it opens. Yeah. I was worried that I might feel it here, that I wouldn't like it. But it actually feels pretty good. This edge doesn't feel weird at all here. I was worried about these edges, that they might feel unnatural. Some weird feeling, but no, it's okay. And the screen also. I mean, you don't touch the screen, but it has this kind of grip. It's a clamp. I see it's like going up above the keyboard, but it looks like it's fine with it. And the hinge doesn't have a problem to stay half open like this. So it's not very heavy on the hinge. It stays like this, like almost closed. And it doesn't have any issue. And in this corner here, I don't see any reason that it might have a problem, like to make the hinge strange or anything. It closes perfectly. I think it's a pretty good deal. Yeah. And it makes the MacBook Air M5 look a bit like the Pro. It's not bluish. The MacBook Air feels like it's closing a little bit easier. It's a little bit easier to close it. So it does have an effect on the hinge. Thanks for watching.